Wow. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. An outstanding channel giving an outstanding information in outstanding chemistry. My name is Ayodele Adikazum, a chemist by profession, and I'm here at this hour to give you a very powerful information concerning chemistry. As a saying goes, if you are not informed, forget it, you are going to be deformed. Information is very key at this age. The topic for today says, how can I get A1 in chemistry Waec? For instance, in chemistry, how can I make my A1? So we are going to make Waec 2024 a case study. I'll be discussing certain points that will help you to get A1 in chemistry, be it Waec, NECO, and any other exam. But for today, I'll be making a case study of Waec 2024. Alright, now Waec 2024, we have three types of paper to write for any chemistry student. Number one is paper 1, which is the objective, paper 2, which is the theory, paper 3, which is the practical. Paper 1, which is objective, consists of 10 or 50 objective questions. Okay, that give you 50 marks. Okay. Any serious student that is well prepared should be able to score nothing less than 40 over 50, which is a good score in chemistry. Let's go to paper 2. Paper 2, we have 5 questions, but you are not expected to answer 5 questions. That's the good news. Any student of chemistry in Waec City or Waec 2024 will answer 4 questions. Each question contains or carry 25 marks, okay, depending on how the mark is being awarded or allotted. Now we are expected to answer 4 questions, making 100 marks. But if you prepare, okay, and you score something like 65, you don't need to score 100 over 100. Something like 65 is also a good score. Now going on to practical, which is the third paper for Waec 2024. Practical consists of 3 questions. Question 1, question 2, question 3. Question 1 is titration. Question 2 is sort analysis. Question 3 is any general questions. Question 1 for this alternative A is on readers. Wow, readers is a very good practical to deal with. Very sweet and simple practical. And question 2, sort analysis, and question 3. Okay, make sure you stay tuned to this channel because I'll be posting videos on how to approach question 1 and question 2 in alternative A 2024 Waec chemistry. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please make sure you do so. Now if you score 45 in theory, or if you score 45 in practical, now in paper 1 you score 40, paper 2 you score 65, and paper 3 you have 45. A total of 150. Your total questions is 200, so divided by 2. If you divide 150 by 2, of course you are going to have what? 75, which is an A. But that's not enough. Now the sweeter part of it is what I'm about to tell you. Now preparation is very key in chemistry. Chemistry is not civic. Chemistry is not computer, even though they have CC as a first letter. No, I will tell you the reason now. Chemistry pay attention to little details. Very key. Chemistry pay attention to little details. So you must be well prepared to get A in chemistry. An understanding of the subject matter is very important. Let me give an example. Now, because in chemistry, we don't relate with history, we don't write stories because it's not history. We don't write stories because it's not literature. Now, for instance, now you're asked to define what is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction is a reaction between an acid and a base to produce salt and water only. Now, as little as only is, if it is not written down inside the definition, you score 0. Look at it. Is totally different from civic or computer. And the definition in chemistry is always 2 marks. It's either you score 2 marks or you score 0 marks. So pay attention to little detail. Another example is we have to define what an hydrocarbon is. An hydrocarbon or hydrocarbon is a compound that contains hydrogen and carbon only. Look at the word only. You might say, okay, I've read, I've studied, I've prepared, but you are defining hydrocarbon as hydrocarbon is a compound that contains hydrogen and carbon. Oh man, that's zero. In chemistry, is zero. The word only is very important. So we don't need stories to pass chemistry. We need details, simple details. So when you are reading, pay attention. If you are asked to write a particular reactions, make sure your equation is correct. Now, for instance, you have to write a reaction that involves C plus oxygen. They to give you CO2. Okay, and your CO2, you are writing capital letter C, and you're writing small letter O, and 2 is also small letter. Forget it. We are not looking at it as CO2. We are looking at cobalt. Can you see now? So that's failure. So guys, make sure you follow this rule. Number 1, make sure you know your papers. Number 2, prepare very well. Number 3, know how examiner marks. Now, the last one I'm going to discuss with you on how we mark is the practical marking. You want to get your 45 in practical, you must know how examiner mark your practicals. Now, do you know how they mark titration? Titration is always 10 marks in Waec. So I told you the case study is Waec. Titration is 10 marks. Your table is 10 marks. Out of all the values you are using on the table, they will only pick 2. And that's 4 marks, 4 marks. So averaging is 1, and your answer is also 1. But some students don't know how to do this. They will cancel, they will do that, and they will get 0. These are little mistakes that we don't condone. So pay attention to details if you want to get A. And I know as you watch this video, you will get A. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. God bless you.